Question 2. Table 2 gives information about the causes of infertility in 1,000 couples who visited a clinic. It also gives the expected success rate for treatment of each cause of infertility. We can see there's Table 2 with the cause of infertility, the number of infertile couples with that problem, and the percentage success rate of each of the treatments. Let's look at the question parts now. Part A. What percentage of the 1,000 couples have problems that are known to be in the female? Well, looking at the table, it's actually only those first 3 rows there that are problems specifically in the female, as you can see there. So all we do is we add together those number of couples. So it is going to be 130 plus 160 plus 70, which gives us an answer of 360. Now, because we're asked for a percentage, we divide that by 1,000, because we're told there's 1,000 couples. So it's 360 divided by 1,000, giving us an answer of 0.36. What we then do is times that by 100 to get the percentage. Times by 100 to give us an answer of 36%. So the answer there for part A is 36%. Now, you get 1 mark there for the calculation. So this section here with our working out, we get 1 mark, and then we get 1 mark for our final answer there. Part B. Explain why in vitro fertilization, IVF, can be used to treat blocked fallopian tubes. Okay, so we're thinking blocked fallopian tubes. Clearly that means that the egg can't travel from the ovary to the uterus. How does IVF help with that? Well, the eggs are removed from the ovary, fertilized, and then put back into the uterus. That therefore bypasses the blocked tubes. So we score 2 marks for that answer. So we get 1 mark for saying that the eggs are removed from the ovary, fertilized, and then put back into the uterus, and a 2nd mark for saying that bypasses the blocked tubes. Those points there score 2 marks available for this question. Part C. Explain how irregular ovulation can be treated with injections. Again, this is kind of a recall question. So we're saying that injections of FSH, that hormone, will stimulate the development of eggs, therefore help with the fact that they're not developing due to the irregular ovulation. So 1 mark for saying injections of FSH, and a 2nd mark for saying that will stimulate the development of the eggs. That scores 2 marks available for this question. Part D. Treatment of which problem shown in Table 2 will produce the largest number of pregnancies in these couples? Explain how you worked out your answer. Okay, so we're looking for essentially what would be the most effective treatment. Now, treatment of irregular ovulation would produce the largest number of pregnancies in these couples. How do we know that? Because if we look, irregular ovulation has got a high number of couples affected, and also the percentage success rate is by far the highest also. Therefore, combining those 2 ideas together would give us the greatest number of pregnancies. You might think, okay, well, hang on, isn't no sperm production a greater problem? Well, yes, it's affecting more couples. However, the percentage of success treatment is very, very low. So therefore, you wouldn't get the same effective, efficient treatment as you would do with treatment of irregular ovulation, which will produce the largest number of pregnancies. So in terms of marks here, we get 1 mark for saying that treatment of irregular ovulation would do that, and we get a 2nd mark for our use of the data as 75% of 60 is the highest number. Those 2 points score us 2 marks available for this question.